kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome to the channel. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video today. I so appreciate each and every one of you for your support. So today you all, we are participating in a collaboration that is titled Styling with Ribbons and Bows. Oh yeah, ribbons and bows. That's a cute title, isn't it? So anyway, the host is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Myself, At Home with Lisa, is the special guest for this collaboration, Styling with Ribbons and Bows. Now we also have a few co-hosts, which are Jennifer at Home, Design with Emma, Sandylyn's Home and Garden, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Maysdesigncorner. Okay, if anyone joined later, their information will be down in the description box with everyone else's. Now, if you want to participate in this collaboration, once you do your video, make sure you hashtag styling with ribbons and bows, and your video will go in the playlist. Now, also don't forget to use YouTube etiquette. Make sure you mention the host and the co-host in the video. Watch it in its entirety. Okay, so now we got all the logistics out of the way. Let's find out what At Home with Lisa is going to be doing with styling with ribbons and bows. So today, you all, what I am going to be doing is I am going to be styling a coffee table. I purchased a new coffee table for my family room. So I am going to be styling that coffee table, and within that styling I am going to be utilizing a DIY that I have created that we're going to work on right now. So I just have a wooden board right here. I think this was like maybe $3 or $5. I can't even remember where I got it from, but anyway, it was like $3 or $5, not expensive at all. Okay, so I'm going to utilize this on the table, but I'm also going to be adding some florals along with it. I'm gonna juice it up a little bit, and then we're going to be adding our bow as well. And then we're gonna be adding some more things on our coffee table as well. So grab your drink, grab your snack, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I create this beautiful video for you that hopefully it is inspiration to you. So we're going to be using our bow dabber or bow maker to create our bow here. And what I'm going to already do, I'm just going to dovetail the end of my ribbon here. And this is a buffalo plaid ribbon, and it is 30 feet long and it's 1.5 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and use we're gonna turn it this way. And I think I want to do my loops at, let's see. Let's do them at 12 inches. So we're gonna do our loops at 12 inches. So I'm gonna put my bow dabber or bow maker right there, and I'm just going to pinch, and I'm going to put it right there. I'm just let my ribbon roll to the floor. Now, because I have double side of a print, I want to make sure that I twist. I want to make sure that I twist my ribbon. Twist on each side. And then I am not measuring these as I go, but this is how I do my measurement as far as my loops. So as you guys can see, one is taller than the other one. So that means we need to make this one a little bit longer, because this one is more to the 12 inches that I want. So now they are even. So you want to do that as you continue to do your loops. So again, I'm doing my twist, and I'm gonna take my loops, but I want to make my loops a little bit shorter than the previous loop, okay? Don't forget to do your twist when you're working with pattern ribbon, or when you have a smooth or pretty side versus a dull side. So again, I want to measure to make sure they're in sync here. So far I have 4 loops on my bow here. I want to get to the point where I can make my bows by hand, but I feel like my hands are so small till the loops always fall out my hand when I'm trying to make my loops, y'all. So I'm going to measure again this way. Okay. And if you want your loops to be exact, then that's you. Whatever you create is what you want, how you want it to look. So we got 6 loops. We're going to do a total of 8, okay? So again, like I said, don't forget to twist and turn. And we want to make each loop set of loops that we did, we made them a little bit smaller than the previous one. Okay, so I got my 8 loops, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, and then I want to dovetail, and there we have it. So that's our ribbon. And we want to make sure when you pull it up that you're holding it all together, you guys, because a lot of times I'll put my Chanel stem or pipe cleaner underneath, and then when I get ready to pull it up, I just gather it, but I didn't do that this time. So I'm just going to pull it together with this zip tie. I'm gonna make sure the zip tie is on the back end, okay? And you wanna pull it tight because you don't want your loops to come apart, okay? And then you just want to push your loops out and fluff them however you want to have them fluffed. All right, so there is my ribbon that I have, and I'm going to attach it to my board. Okay, so we have our board and we have our florals here, and I have my zip tie, as you can see right here, and I just want to add some little accent pieces to brighten up the fall colored leaves that I have. And I'm going to pull it down. I want to take my zip tie. Now this part is very important, you guys. You want to make sure that you tie this thing tight. My zip tie may not be long enough, y'all. Let's see. Let's try something else. Try another way. So I'm going to use the little hole that's on here, and anything excess I'll just clip it off after I get it tied, because your zip tie got to be long enough. Okay. And then we're just going to cut off the excess here, okay? I really didn't have to do that because the ribbon is going to cover that anyway. So this is what you're looking like right here. And then once I know that my zip tie is tight and ready, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it off. And on my ribbon, on my bow, I did not cut my zip tie because I want to run it up under here, under this zip tie, so I can attach the ribbon. Because you're gonna need something to attach it, and if you don't have something to attach it, the other thing that you can do is just use your hot glue gun, okay? And we're going to go to the coffee table and we're going to do some styling. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. So you all, this is the new table that I have in the family room. I actually purchased this glass table for my beauty room and closet, but once I got it in there, I just felt like that it was too long for the space. So the round glass table that I had out here, I put it in there, and y'all, it fits perfect and it looks so good. So I was like, okay, I have more space out here, so I can utilize this table out here, and it works good in the space as well too, as you guys can see. So I am liking it here. I think I can put it over a little bit. And so yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and style it. We're going to be doing a little bit of layering here. So we're using this wooden stand. And then I want to bring in our DIY with our ribbon that we created into this bow. I think it turned out so cute, you guys. Very easy and simple DIY to do. Then I have this beautiful pumpkin candle. And I want to use my candle utensils, or should I say tools, and just camouflage them here. So we're bringing in like the wood tones here. We're bringing in the brass and the beiges and the fall colors as well. And I'm kind of offsetting everything. As you notice, I'm not putting things straight. I'm kind of catacornering and slanting them, just to give it a different look. Give it a conversation piece, as I would say. So I've already bent this one, and I want to put it down in here. This is a olive branch here, but hold on, y'all. They're so long, so it's hard to get them in there. But where there's a will, there's a way. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for creating such a beautiful collaboration and inviting me on this collaboration. If you're interested in any type of home decor collaboration, just check her out. And she does all types of collaborations if you're not familiar with her. Y'all, I didn't want to clip these, you guys, because I might want to use them somewhere else in some other form. So that's why I'm having a tough time trying to get these stems down in here. I think I got it. So I think that'll be perfect, but I want to pull these leaves out a little bit more. because I needed to give this table some height here. And so by adding these florals, that's giving me a little bit of height. All right, you guys, stay tuned. We'll be back with the reveal. Love bugs, thank y'all so much for tuning in on today's video. And again, thank you, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, for inviting me on this beautiful collaboration. Also, please don't forget to go over and check out the other ladies' videos. I know they have created something wonderfully and beautifully, as well as I feel like I have done today. So without further ado, you guys, we are going to take a look at the new glass coffee table that is trimmed in gold that I have decided to use in our family room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys were trusting the process, and I hope you like what I have created here today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. So this table has two levels, as you all can see. It has the bottom glass part down here, and then it has the top. I'm just so used to the round table being in here, so I do have to get a good feel for it. So I know I needed to add some height, so that's why I added the greenery here, the olive branches here. And then our little DIY ribbon that we turned to a bow here is cute in this section. And then I tried to correlate our stripes on our book with our stripes in our little pumpkin here. And I feel like everything is blending together. We have our height variation, and I think it turned out beautifully. You guys leave me some comments down in the comment section to let me know what you guys think. Y'all, I've been calling these olive branches. I think this is the olive branch, y'all, or is that a berry branch? Y'all leave it down in the comment section, let me know. I just thought it was cute. I thought they was really nice and pretty when I saw them in Hobby Lobby a couple of months ago. But again, thank you all so much for your support. Thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And this is what we are looking like with our new glass table here in this collaboration with Styling with Ribbons and Bows. And don't forget, if you create a video, hashtag Styling with Ribbons and Bows. All right, you guys, until next time, At Home with Lisa. Lisa is signing off. And don't forget to please give me a big thumbs up if you were able to take something away from this video. And also leave me some sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.